Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to Raqmedia, here with Ezzadine. In this tutorial, we will be unboxing a refurbished iPhone 13 Pro Max. Welcome back. As we said, today we're diving into something super exciting. We're unboxing a refurbished iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now, I know a lot of you might be wondering, is it actually worth getting a refurbished phone? Well, stick around, because we're going to find out together. Alright, let's jump right in. Here's the box. Not much different from a brand new one, right? But the real magic is inside. Let's open it up. Look at that. The first thing you see is the phone itself, snugly fit in this protective film. And just from the first look, it's pretty much flawless. Let's take it out and check it out in more detail. Let's peel off this protective film. Ah, that satisfying sound. The phone feels brand new, no joke. Wow, honestly, this looks pristine. No visible scratches or dents on the body at all. Apple's refurbished products are said to go through rigorous testing and come with genuine Apple parts, and this one seems to live up to that standard. Now, let's see what else is in the box. We've got the usual, a USB-C to Lightning cable, the SIM ejector tool, and the basic paperwork. No earphones or charging brick, but that's pretty standard these days, even with new iPhones. Okay, let's power this baby up and see if it's just as good on the inside as it is on the outside. There we go. It's booting up smoothly. No lag, no weird noises. While this gets set up, let's talk about why someone might consider getting a refurbished phone. Refurbished phones are not only a great way to save some cash, but they're also an eco-friendly choice. You're basically giving a device a second life. Plus, refurbished iPhones from Apple come with a 1-year warranty, just like new ones, so there's a safety net if anything goes wrong. Now the big question, is it worth it? From what I can tell, absolutely. You're getting a like-new device at a lower price with warranty coverage and Apple's quality guarantee. If you're on a budget or just want to make a more sustainable choice, a refurbished iPhone 13 Pro Max could be the perfect fit. So, what do you think? Would you go for a refurbished iPhone? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, this is your host Ezzadine. Stay curious and stay techie. Peace.